going against Blackscape. Let's see if he expects this deck. Oh, that's a redraw. Come on, Magda. Come on, Magda. Ah, that's fine. I get two Faeria Gatherers to start things off. Oh, jeez. The smoke. Let us begin with a smoke. Why have you chose Mystic Beast, Sticky? What was your thoughts with this card? Is it just a counter control, or do you just like a kind of bulky Faeria Gatherer? Freedom Fighter into Luden. What on earth? What are you doing, Blackscape? Okay. That's cool. That's cool. Just curious. Can't clear this out now, which sucks. But I get the power of the Magda. Plus it can be dropped to turn one to farm. Yeah, it only costs one lake. That's some good points, dude. So place around Garadan Firestorm. Lives through most attack power of the average played cards. Seems pretty reasonable to me. Get Magda to give me a legendary. How often do you get a legendary that's usable from Magda? I haven't used her new version outside of... No, actually I've never used a new version. I thought I used her in Pandora, but I've played against her in Pandora. No, the Freedom Fighter, why? Why are you so mean? So mean. Freedom wrecked. So now I guess I go for Spring Mow number 2. Don't really have a lake there though, that's a problem. I think going for a desert's just a lot better at this point because it gives me an opportunity to play Last Nightmare if I need it. And playing Spring Mochi by here just isn't going to work out for me because you'll just take it out, the Freedom Fighter. Ninja Toad. Oh geez, this guy is just going full aggro. You didn't prepare me for this, Sticky. I am not prepared. Gem Silk. Oh, the Shaitan draw. The Shaitan draw. Where do I put it though? It's actually a lot easier to kill that. Chuck a lake here. Blue smoke, I've never seen it before. I've tried. Not to this extent though. Aurora, oh, that's rough. 2 health left. Not feeling too good about this. Alright, let's just clear up all this nonsense to start things off. Push a desert. Then we go for Twin Souls and hope for the best. Oh, we can actually play Wingate here, so this does protect us. It's not looking good though. Runs away, just open up that lake tile. Luden. May seem a little excessive, but I don't feel it is. And let's do this. 2 health, guys. Wonderful plays. Oh dear. Triton. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. So I kind of want... Triton's a little dangerous. I feel that I'm going to do this. And I'm going to move him up. And I think I'll leave it at that for now. I don't trust Shaitan on 1 health to defend me. I think Twin Soul has a better chance. He has a lot of cards. Now he's gathered quite a bit of Faeria. Another Twin Soul draw would be great. I can just swarm him. Triton again, okay. My wish is granted. I'm gonna have to last nightmare. I am getting there slowly. It's just very hard. Just one of these guys dies, he can push an extra bit of damage, like double Ninja Toad or something. It's gonna be very, very bad for me. Okay, so the plan was to put another Twin Soul here. So 4. Twin Souls, he's very vulnerable to the jump from the Water Elemental now. Well, he still could have a Freedom Fighter left, so 1 Freedom Fighter, 1 Ninja Toad. That could be possible. Just wondering if it's worth playing Windstorm here instead, because I can move around, play Windstorm. And this way, I play around him hopping over and clearing out the Twin Souls. Spellwell. Unbound. More power. I got the last draw. I don't think that's going to be it. And there we go. Magda Blue Yellow Control wins against Blackscape there. But good games to Blackscape.